I really made the right decision on coming to the Lawson law firm. I'm a free man today. My name is Rynell Atkins. I'm 46 years old. I was arrested for sexual battery and lewd and lascivious behavior. Of course, I was innocent, but nobody believed me until I was able to find Lawson law firm, and they believed in me, even when close friends didn't. They believed in me, and they fought for me. I don't know where I would be at today if it had not been for me finding them. I was at the end of the rope. I was ready to give up, throw in the towel. The scripture says that there'll come a time a man will want to die and can't, and want to live and can't. And I couldn't do either one. But when I came to this law firm, they gave me hope, and I was able to live a little bit. And then once they got all of my charges dismissed, man, it's the greatest feeling in the world. I can spend time with my kids again. I can get some peace of mind. I can go places with my kids, take my kids places. Before this, I was able to take my kids to amusement parks, just regular park. I've always been active in their life. So it was devastating that I couldn't be in my kids' life. And I helped mentor so many other kids throughout my life. And for me not to be able to be there for my kids, it was definitely something that, had me really down and just disgusted and just ready to give up. But man, thank God for people like these lawyers and attorneys that work at this office. They are genuinely good people, and they fight for you. It's hard to find people that are honest and that are trustworthy, especially nowadays. And I really appreciate them for being the people that they are. I owe man, I owe so much to them for what they did for me. I had previous representation, but I sat on house arrest on level 1 for almost close to 3 years. And Susan and Scott and just the whole team was so detrimental in me being able to deal with that, because that's stressful just by itself. Even though I was out, I still felt like I was locked up. I couldn't go places. The things that I needed to do, I couldn't do, because you get in contact with pretrial and stuff like that. And they even went to bat for me on that end. They went and got my levels down to level 2. They got me off of level 1 almost immediately after I hired them. They got right to work. And, pretty much, I felt nervous, but I also felt secure, because they wasn't just talking. Before I came to them, I had some sit downs and listened to about maybe 15 different lawyers. I had strategy sessions, and it's just none of them clicked to me. Like, none of them really, it just, and then when I came here, it was like, okay, that sounds doable. Like that sounds realistic. And they did everything that they said they were gonna do. I really made the right decision on coming to the Lawson law firm. If you, I don't plan on being in trouble ever again, but if I do, Lawson law firm is the only law firm I will use, and I would refer them to anybody that's in trouble, that's in serious trouble, whatever your legal matter may be. These people are for real. It was almost like Goliath and David. Like they were David fighting Goliath because these two cases, man, we were going back and forth. And like I said, I had previous representation, and, nothing was happening. Nothing looked like it was going, the right way. And they came on the scene. I call them my superheroes, So they definitely came in almost like, man, like animals, like they were at it, and they got the job done. And everything they promised me, they didn't promise me too much, but they told me that I didn't have anything to worry about, and I can rest assured that they were going to fight to the last minute, to the last drop, till there's no more fight left. And that's exactly what they did. And I'm a free man today, and I thank God for them, and I just owe them so much gratitude, and I'm truly in debt to them. And I just say thank you.